Hi friends, today we are going to see how you can start with cloud computing and you can make your journey as a cloud computing engineer or as a solution architect or as an no developer in cloud. So first you need to understand the cloud computing concept. You need to understand what is cloud computing, what are the types of cloud and what is their basic basically why we need to go for cloud. You can see the videos which I already posted and explained why we need cloud and also the types of cloud which I also explained. Then you need to go with something called products. You need to learn each and every product. For example, if you are a database admin, there is something called MySQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, Microsoft. So there is lot of database, right? Oracle and things like that. You have different products called AWS, which is Amazon, Azure, Google, and IBM. You should be learning this platform. To start with cloud, you also need to learn what is an VM, what is a container. So these videos also available in my videos and what is the difference between VM and container. Okay, some basics of operating system and some basics of database and also basics of networking and also how you do your yeah, VPN and other Route 53 like DNS settings. So these high level basics you should know. If you are developer, you should know what is source control, what is your framework you are using for development, and what is the IDE or integrated development environment, and what is deployment and what is uh, no what is how you can make use of build. So if you are a developer, then you should know like this, but in general, if you if you are good with hardware or in general, you should know this VM, container, OS, database, network and VPN basics. And you should start with any learning any one of the product. It could be AWS or it could be Azure. You try to create a test account. Okay, there is a free trial account in all the cloud. So create a free trial account. Then you need to create an instance and connect to it, deploy an hello world sample program. Okay, so this is the first step. You can do it. You try to create a free account, and there is a trial provided in all the vendor, even in AWS, or if it is Azure, if it is Google, they have their own trial account for some duration. Then you can use deployment or the simple hello world program deployment. And you should also try to have three three tier architecture in the cloud. So you need to understand what is a server with the load balancer. So it is an load balancer with server 1 and server 2. Then it talks to your database DB. So load balancer, server, database. So after the hello world program, start with your three-tier architecture application. So in the hello world program, you will try to get access, how to access and how to connect to the machine. So those basic things you will get to know how to connect and how to access. After that, you can start with the three-tier architecture where you can take a web application, okay, or web server, and then you can have one DB, and you can have a similar setup, and you can have a load balancer, ELB, elastic load balancer or load balancer. and try to connect connect via load balancer and see your application is working. And similarly, you can have another setup, another web, okay, another web, and then DB, okay, and you can connect the load balance and DB. You try to disconnect this web application and see still load balancer working, then you can make down of this application. You can understand what is the database cluster and how it will be read write and read only scenario. This you can explore as your second step of your learning. If once you are done with this hello world and three-tier architecture, just start with understanding all the compute services. Maybe it will be the no EC2, VM, all the container, serverless, whatever it is. Just try to understand the compute, then try to understand different types of storage, then try to understand what are the network components on the cloud. So basically you need to choose one cloud, whether it is AWS or Azure or Google. Then you are going to start doing this hello world. Are you going to create an instance and do an hello world? Then you're going to talk about three-tier architecture. Then you're going to see an overview of this one and database. Okay, there is a lot more in DevOps and for developers, but this is some basic thing which you need to start with cloud computing and see all the services in compute, all the services in storage, all the services in network, all the services, high level description and how it works, so that you can able to start working on the cloud services and start troubleshooting the issues. You need to also see other services like functions, or this functions also comes under compute. And you try to deploy the hello world application on an instance which is nothing but your VM or EC2. Now try to create this three tier with container as a service, then try to do the same replication with function as a service, then try to replace the database with RDS or platform or MongoDB, or try to explore different database. Likewise, you can able to have a hands-on and you can able to clear it. I'm going to make more videos how you can make yourself familiar with the cloud. If you like my video, just like it, or if you like to follow me, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.